Dear students, you are enjoying online study. Today's subject is Civics, Chapter 1, Power Sharing. In this chapter, we will study meaning of power sharing in Belgium and Sri Lanka, why power sharing is desirable, and forms of power sharing. At first, you know what is power sharing. Power sharing means a policy agreed between political parties or within a coalition to share responsibility for decision making and political action. Power sharing in Belgium and Sri Lanka. In this topic, we are discussing about ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka. Now, ethnic composition of Belgium. The ethnic composition of Belgium is very complex. Of the country's total population, 59% lives in the Flemish region and speaks Dutch language. Another 40% people live in the Wallonia region and speak French. Remaining 1% people speak German. In the capital city, Brussels, 80% people speak French, while 20% are Dutch speaking. Despite of complex ethnic composition, the Belgian leaders adopted the path of accommodation. Under this arrangement, the Belgian leaders recognized the existence of differences and cultural diversities and respected the feelings and interests of all communities and regions and made mutually acceptable arrangements for sharing power. Ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. There are different social groups, different languages and religions in Sri Lanka. The major social groups are the Sinhala speakers, 74%, and Tamil speakers, 18%. Tamil speakers are further divided into two groups, Sri Lankan Tamils, 13%, and Indian Tamils, 5%. There are different religions in Sri Lanka, namely Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity. The leaders of the Sinhala community sought to secure dominance over government by virtue of their majority. As a result, the democratically elected government adopted a series of majoritarian measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. Therefore, a tension created between the two communities and turned into widespread conflicts, and it soon turned into a civil war. Now, why power sharing is desirable? Power sharing is desirable to reduce conflicts, stability, unity of the nation, for success of democracy and prudential region and moral region. Prudential regions stress that power sharing will bring out better outcomes, while moral regions emphasize the very act of power sharing as valuable. Now, forms of power sharing. In modern democracies, power sharing arrangements can take many forms. First, power is shared among different organs of government, such as legislature, executive, and judiciary. Second, power is shared among governments at different levels. Central government, and state government. Third, power is shared among different social groups, such as the religious groups and linguistic groups. Next, power is shared among political parties, pressure groups, and movements. Now, this chapter is completed. Students are advised to read the chapter thoroughly and answer the following questions which are given in the image. Thanks.